Hello and welcome to another Ethereum update. Again, don't have too much time, just want to give you a quick update today. Maybe later today we can do a bit more of an extensive one. But yeah, latest update. So I think pretty much that was working out. I said to you yesterday that I expect that we saw here a wave 1, a wave 2, the wave 3 possibly already finished. We would see a wave 4 retracement. I think that played out. And we possibly already saw the wave 5, even although I think it's a bit short. But what I'd like to do is I'd like to introduce another layer of waves here like I did for Bitcoin. Yeah. So we keep this as it is. And I'm going to add here another higher level just wave count. Just sort of to account here for those movements. Because I looked about this mess here again. And it didn't really make sense. So I think this makes more sense. And we had a wave 1 as wave 2. So maybe before we continue, just to give you a quick update here of the shorter time frame. So from the low here on the 26th of July, yeah, at $1,360, we moved up in what I believe, was, there's two possibilities. First possibility, that this was the fifth wave of the larger impulse, which was unfolding here anyway. So the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. This is currently what is certainly a possibility that this here, the 5 wave move is complete, and that what then came down here from this fifth wave and from the higher level wave 1, because the 5 waves in blue complete a wave 1 of the higher degree, that we are now in the wave 2 of the higher degree and already completed a wave A, an overshooting wave B, because this really looks like a 3-wave move, and that we are now coming down here in the wave C. Now the wave C would ideally get into this target range between 1230 and 1440. Okay, so this is the first possibility. The other possibility that I'm following, and to be honest, both are fairly balanced. The only difference is below 1560, below that low of the wave A. I think, depending on how we get there, but I think what's going to play out is that we are going to land here in this area. You know? The other possibility is that this move up was only the wave 1 of the wave 5, that we are now in the wave 2 of the wave 5, so that in the correction now, in this C wave, we are only correcting this wave 1 to the upside. So that means we probably will not retrace as much as this green area, okay? So it will be interesting. In the target area for this scenario, there will be an overlap here anyway, so I'll keep you updated as soon as we know more. At the moment, it's still not fairly clear which of these two scenarios are playing out. I think there will be further retracement, and I think after that retracement we should see a strong move to the upside in a third wave. If it is the main third wave, or if it is just the third subwave of the wave 5, we need to see. Bear in mind, CPI data released today, a lot of volatility again expected, as we saw it yesterday already. So I think wave 3 then is probably not yet finished. I think it could be theoretically, so we take a look at that. Then there should be another wave 4 to the upside, and a wave 5 to the downside, finishing all of this off in a wave, in a white wave 5. That could though be only the first wave, depending on which scenario is playing out here. That could be only the first wave of this C wave. The C wave itself, which is part of this ABC pattern, the C wave itself consists of 5 waves. So at the moment we are forming this 5-wave move down, so it's quite likely actually that we are really in this C wave, because in the last video we didn't have 5 waves yet. It looked very much like a 3-wave move down. So I said the bearish evidence was weak, but you know, if we assume that this white wave count could be only the first wave, then there will be a wave 2, there will be a wave 3, there will be a wave 4, a wave 5, and that could take us here into this green area. Yeah, and that is where we are at the moment, how I currently see the market here. I think we can expect further decreases at the moment. Bear in mind there will be support here, the 50-day moving average, and there will be support here at 1560. These are the key support levels. I think a breakout above the wave B high, which is here at $1,800, would of course indicate that we are probably in something more bullish, okay? So of course I can also be wrong, you know, these are sort of my two most likely scenarios here. But if we already move up earlier than expected, above $1,800, then I think this scenario is not yet coming, is not yet there. It will come later then, but it's not yet there. But at the moment, I'm going with this, and the focus would be to get further down, okay? All right, and that's my update about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And for both, you can find the links in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.